Take this life, make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you fall, you rise again. Mentally, you move and almost zero, I'm in feet, one pause in life. It's all about the journey, 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 the journey.
The journey. And also you're saying Asia aye enije. And miguswa ewo Belgium Europe na me season e de bro baby bia o. Aseda PSC enkoma wa na watri bia wo Gibraltar na se na wo hwede journey show. Eye munti a ye sponsors cool eguswa ekraye mu. Mamenda Adom TV asesa abre bia no mo so mensa na me djuma de bro. Afei me that time heba mixture or se malaria de wajo any time when time arena the give us clean care SCSF. Eye medima for herbal center doctor time that so say an on the oba no ha or the bre eto yare no so nti enche bia oho ebetimi ato yare bia e ha obia okọ medima for ha obehwe ama bibia aye kama nyedua for say bibi na ha wa unya bia oho beto ama na aye kama pa afeye ba Europe no eye King Solomon African shopper ade bia ye aduane ho ade de che bibia ye di wo Ghana no so wo abrochi nko ana pese wundi bidia okọ King Solomon shops na obetimi enya bi ama bibia aye kama ani love shape way ono na snatch me a medete ha me ho afefefe o si oba mesro owu ana ense wofu ye kese anya obetimi ama bibia atwe unya ne shape ways ni bi ne westerners na ebetimi aboa wo ne fa ha no emu odin pa ensan so empraw na eye very very easy to wear it mesro ani love see baby bia owo wo wiase afana nyina or ship ko anywhere in the world oba ship abroad afei eye queen shipping edu shipping asema na mani age ko se ho na ya nya drums na ye de enuane ne ye drinks ne ye niema adwuma ben na wo ye a wo pesa won ship wo niema from Europe and Ghana and from Ghana kwa enko Europe oti baby na so pesa wo moving ko the other place eye queen shipping for eye ni nyina e de ma eti misro wo hu adwuma ku ya obetimi aboa ama bibia aye kama dina travel consults. Say about control months and some dia. The only person obetimi assault out. Dinak for consults travel for and a betimi aboa ma bibia aye kama contact omo na omo betimi aboa say nye Europe kwa na wo ba baby bia wo ko bia omo ye ticketing omo be hwe tickets na ma na nya afina ko do airport e be ka cho say wo ticket ni ye fake ni ade stress there be we stress free etu hu omo a omo betimi aboa empanyi any Nox TV with Kunama Entertainment and Adom TV and the Journey TV show all the way from Belgium Europe Eddie Ebro me twa me ho akwaji aboa foi en krato me ba ya de beshisha so enko bebia
Journey, the journey.
Yakwaji enkrato aba uguswa ehwede Jenny ewo Adom TV ene me guest amede ne ba no yenjumtuni aye friend Blaqwate na before then almost oba obehu sa obe kai no ba bibinti ono a ebe chirechire mu amaye eye minia be mai medofui ani odero from Pass for yechiamo ene the Blaqwate na menya no ha me ne twetwe nkomo all the way from Belgium oye musician a just obo ne ho modern pa it me so look out for him na nyina yen supporting na ono so wanti me man the dream no person on fambra because he is so good akwaba odero
It's funny to say about Beshia, you know, it's really nice.
My manager catch me say, Odero, Hannah, me say, hey, why not? Or can't 207, hey, why not? Offering pass at 207.
Pass for life.
Oh, it's nice, Emma saying, you are doing so well in your career. Answer na yebe starting the minimum, say now the dean for fro.
Yes.
And about Blaqwate.
Yes.
It's here starting from her.
Yeah, I think first na bebre na obi who me camera is be say first name use kojoblak.
Kojoblak.
Yeah. And eventually we say there's a new artist here.
Also use the same name.
Use the same name.
Abena.
It wouldn't have been a problem, but I think they were blue, you know, with Kevin Boy so excellent, you know. So now there was a need, say, Mrs. you know, very quick.
Wow.
Blaqwate was already a DNA.
Yeah.
Be bring out the frame.
Okay.
We team in your mom, me tabo Blaqwate. So we decided to rebrand the name. And,
but I hope so. Being signed me for Blaqwate, my own saying Jan to
woman.
Okay.
Because I've been working on kojoblak for 12 years now, and it really affected me.
Until I was saying, copyrights, come register before.
We contacted them and they were like, yeah,
one register.
And open
next time, no be already be if you have a name, a brand name, ya two animal, once a be new, one nan say dink home by way, and a home about someone. Yamaquaba view. And passing. Yehu wa uti abuchi ha. Jenny ni ye den and started what I say.
I think way back 2000 and I think me started journey of in person 2000 and I think 3 and I'm born. So
me by second year.
Okay. Okay. And to me father to coin 2000 more.
Okay.
Until me re school now after secondary school no. And you know
yes, I do
because pre-university school, our Regent University, our Graphic Road, our Accra.
Okay.
And Munana, or yes, and now you're so fine. Mene, many have been with DH.
Oh, okay.
And I buy here 2013, you know. Okay. So it wasn't a smooth ride, you know. It was something easy. No.
Oh, who see, no.
That be. Yeah. You know, sending now work on right because our parents are already here. My mom, my dad, you know, and I had other 2 siblings here. And it was something very easy for me. So now, and there were baby share me one sale.
Oh, until when a journey starts here, and I go back to Europe. You do buy your what's not Ghana a real secondary school even started your university near dinner Oba has say. Now Abraboni to say what has say. What's not Ghana chaba in Saha and Maria Jumania might be very different. So now copy with us.
No heading because me per PP once will be a young mudie. My bishia kubolo for me the domoa. Maybe feel na adiasa.
Yeah.
And my parents didn't like it. Until I remember I say there are certain times my bump no to put anymore.
Oh wow.
Because the amount 1 and said 10 you have to be home. And I couldn't cope with it because until I made it. No being so many you hear my body here. Na many did that. Tia shows sano. Na samaba. But whichever way we were able to, you know, and I feel over in the do Ghana, whatever be drew.
Yeah.
Open same food that di.
And King Solomon or Hollow.
Oh,
that I'm not anymore.
Let me name King Solomon till later near who ye. You understand? Open would disarm you and then I would do Ghana no. But it's not possible. We be brain there. These are the challenges.
Yeah.
You be sure. And friends wise, you know, you have to
be careful near my be.
You understand?
Go to assume.
And sir, what don't want to assume because this is Europe.
Yeah.
Life na you live in Ghana was totally different.
Yeah.
It wasn't easy, but it me firm, you know.
Okay. Okay. And see when ultimate firm no now we Juma you're also doing music. Ababone saying.
Me say
easy.
Okay, but you know
it's better.
It's better than say Ghana because this is Europe.
What makes it better than Ghana?
I think say you know say you the name to 2 years. Whatever you want to do, you know, whatever you want to do, if you really want to do it,
you can do it.
You can do it. Unless you don't want to. And unless you don't want to put your energy, time and effort to
it.
You know, the only difference between Ghana and Hanse, you know, and Sani Mano. So and look at so be young you have the support. In Poyen you want say Okaso me support be for any organizations and I say this year. When you get it.
You get it. Oh wow.
Yes, you will get it. By now per se
live
on the street and do it on your own, you know. So you go so cry, you know, but it's better than when I was in Ghana.
Okay, so here in Europe and Ghana, Quite ben so how is the the process near everything? Say na mo because Ghana they say we have a lot of for studios appear to zimpenyu for bebre mo ye nwom. Aha say no so saying that here.
Aha say no anything ama Europe nwom no yeah you want say the word I din because
na boy din won
studio wise and you say be an bo na e din krompo no availability of studio no is very less. I'm saying say it's less because Ghana community type music now open.
Yeah, no be an bit me give it that beat.
You understand?
Yeah.
And amana kwa kweden. To me for example, enyuma me nyina me the beat in Ghana.
Na wa be yashe mo ha.
So Willis beat normally Willis beat to produce beat na mami.
Okay.
No I send ya mami.
Okay.
I record, I send it back.
Oh wow.
You understand? But Ghana and here, when the studios now I have a lot of friends you could just walk in and do whatever you want. But Hansen and Tissa,
yeah.
When you back on cry, be a Sunday and Saturday because we be juma. And yeah, be away fully, you know. And or more Hansen, you know, the type of beat now be sometimes open and they are not able to produce because say there's differences.
And balance
Ghana, no. The top beat in the Ghana, then we do the recording here. And we send it back. They finish the project. They send it back to us, and you know we finalize it here. So that's the only difference, you know. But whichever way, you know, we are able to find our way out.
Okay. So what really made you do music? What really made you do business? Because obi wo ho a your passion. Obi ye no ye bi. E dey na kan say e wo say wo ye nwom.
I love music. My whole life is music.
Okay.
Wait me share with you. Let me say because ube share na me tonyum. At times when I was young, na my father ewo. Me kan say book you.
I think nwom tu ni bia papa ne mama.
Yeah.
Or start fie.
Yeah. Me so na my father wo blue kiosk. Me kan if
blue kiosk mo kan say.
Blue kiosk but you are no monza.
Okay, yeah, blue kiosk. Yeah, blue kiosk, yeah.
So now omo bonyum. I was young at the age of 5. Me kai at that time, you know, me operate cassette. So once that time, you use cassette. Until me meti rather munyuma match the day whatever. Or munyumi and you am intimate. So I developed
from associate. Okay.
At the age of 7, I was already singing. So
were you singing in school?
In school.
What happened?
School.
I know, but you know.
Yes, secondary school. I didn't perform.
You didn't want to do entertainment.
Yes, entertainment. I think I tried 3 times.
No, Jai.
And I'm Jai because there was this name, no more Omu Yusuma, and I didn't like it. And the first stage,
no more frozen.
No more, man.
Please say it.
I wouldn't say.
But now you just say no.
No, I won't say it. Me cape, a man for best started their framing. And when the stage, they used that name for me, and I didn't like it.
So I no mom put you off.
So it put me off into secondary school.
Oh wow.
It really put me down, like
not just people schools no even when we depressed near then it's true.
Yeah.
A killer would dream the car.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
After secondary school I'm a
PK back one only no more the babu tree no.
Yes.
Oh okay. And to say and you no ye full time and I say oh ye juma kan.
Full time. I would love to. I mean say PK say you do standard na ye pena.
Obey.
I would love to put my energy, my whole time into the music. But for now, it's a little bit of the music, then a side hustle, you know. So we're full time.
So if you are told, say, relocate back to Ghana, and then there's this, maybe a label or sign no, they want to promote you, they want you to,
why not?
I live here and come to Ghana like serious music.
Why not? I would love to. I will surely run to whoever.
So you really want to do your music.
I'm passing me blow. I really want to be there.
So who do you want to be more? Make us be like because you have to be you. Until why not Usheno? Then you're there, open the lifestyle in your
Yeah, I listen more of family.
Okay. Oh. Yes. Then I know the side you are.
Yes, these are the two artists.
Okay.
My
okay, so let's get into your music. Give us best or music na my best like acapella kakra best of your music. Which one is your best?
I think say 2014 me release Nyumbi Tatini Abonsam.
Abonsam.
Yeah.
It's devil. Abonsam.
Yeah,
What's that?
It was like Abonsam like the devil.
Yeah, because they were always Abonsam, no?
Yeah, Abonsam.
Abonsam, okay. Bronsam, Abonsam, okay.
That was one of my favorites.
Okay.
But recently, myself released it, but I could be a friend of Odonso. It's also one of my favorites.
Okay. Do you have any collabo with any of the artists, or it's just you?
I think Belgium here, the only artist I'm in here is Rebel Ashes.
Okay.
Rebel Ashes. And in Ghana, we have one guy called Singlet.
Singlet, okay.
Yeah, Singlet. So
okay.
Yeah, Odonso was released last year.
Okay.
In October.
Okay.
And I'm about to release another song this month. So I can give you a little bit of the acapella of Odonso.
Okay. Okay.
Because Manya tuntum broni bi akona kono mi yimani aye wa moda chemi ai Manya tuntum broni bi ai menkoma homa tia mi yimani aye wa moda chemi modansa sweetie modansa wo filia modansa. Yeah, me say modansa sweetie modansa wo filia modansa. I say you don't promise I share me ba I feel banchi dia no me so bebo na what time me don't know so me so beko I feel me kunim de me hwede so nti yesu we meka odo minja wachira da me si wechi wachi na medi danyi me say mambo we na wana mabo abonsam di am potom say the next dia hombo mobo wala we case so this abonsam was released in 20
Do you promote your songs?
I do. Abonsam was a big hit in Belgium.
Yeah, because this Nyum tuning now is so good.
Yes. They are on every social streaming platforms. They are doing good, yeah.
Oh wow, this is nice. Now what dream who say Obeba Ghana Abeye, I mean collabo with any of the artists?
Yes,
you're working on it.
Yes.
Anybody in mind?
For now, no. But
no.
I would love to work with I think Famille, Kevin
Boy.
And the new guy now wabe you know.
That would be nice. And your door eba be so idi na yenda ye ho kwachin krato abra for ye ba ye ne Blaqwate ever to us.
Journey the journey.
Yakwaji enkrato aba oguso the Jenny show wo Adom TV and me ne Blaqwate and twetwe nkomo wo Belgium eti misro Jibre na ye nto aso na enche bia ye di ebebewe papa. Enyum two no first one me the pam for ye di show ni ko awie no asemba ko mienu a obeka.
Yeah, I think the little fans I have, you know, I will use this platform to say me do BBS because when you go to TikTok I have the fan base who are,
and even here in Belgium, like you are doing so
Belgium,
well.
Belgium for now supporting me once.
Yeah.
Because it's easy. Because sometimes we feel like, oh, Charlie, I'm fat. I was say I call Ghana because when you meet people, they go like, Charlie, you have to go to Ghana.
You know, like everything is there. You know, you are good.
You try your best. You be make it
from here.
Support you. You know, when you share my stuff, you like it. You stream. You repost it. You stream. That is the support you are giving me.
Okay.
This is what I need. Nyangopo insure bibia, you know.
Insure so. Yeah, that's the say buy nansa na obekọ the journey for ya wa mamre bi a chese ye obetina car num de na no echi a obeyi ba akwa aman.
Be che me car na.
Enye de aye de say manager the car she mu de a obenya na. O hia o manager the car be shem.
No eteno.
Sao. Eh. Enye agro. Okay, into your call. Okay, my mention the journey for the mom. Say worst day of your life, the worst day. Our experience was
was when my grandmom died and I couldn't.
Oh, into me uncle. Oh, no, crata my own.
No, me drew a brochure. 1 month pepe when I'm a crata.
Into now day.
There was some issues that I was facing that I was fixing at that moment. So I couldn't. go.
So don't napa.
Just on the tea and when my parents left to Europe.
Okay.
My nana Brazilian, so.
Oh,
was,
so sorry.
It was a big blow for me.
Kafra, so sorry. The journey, we have something that we do. Obi already the journey show be and say, Obasa ye ma flower catch us say do. Tianye Europe ni jai. Moye de and mo flower no ebema mo say do. It will ye bibia Ghana first. And then we have the frame say okwa. Now they are ball kama. We appreciate you so much for coming. Muti nye mini kilos ye ntimi amfa hampers ama. It sponsors nye man ya fa.
So munyo ni skama.
Thank you so much for coming. It's been amazing having you on the show. Then you say Ghana for so ever support it. Meaning say wow, share Jumadi when he aji and there was here a dear bacomi no and mini Blaqwate and a chuchin common musician or Belgium or Bahadia and Yagroka. Meaning say Ghana crano. Yatatan in your ma, Bana who said the oti and near Hun and Timmy Strow. Ubeti me a support in a way ube streaming the music with all the platform. Ubeti me follow on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere social media handles nina obetimi afolo na no so etimi aboa no me show mama yen support our own so wo ho na se wo pese woni no nya collabo bi because oto nwoma ankasa but just that oba bedi ha but o still na no Europe ha kra no opia aboa because I had the be baye ono an it so Blaqwate all the events and everything he's really doing well and now the Ghana anim timoma yen supporting asida kese enkoma Nox TV ye da omo asese baye omo hodi en down na yetimi edi dwumadi Ebremo all the way from Belgium to Ghana. Afi kunama entertainment with Adom TV and the sponsors are aso ya sin omo Ghana ni omo Europe ha omo so beka ho nyame enhira mu nyina. That's a net yensai enhia e wo the Journey TV show so asemba akona da bia make control bisi nyame wo ma ebeye midin e de Abena Ghana abonofo akodi e breakum de share macra.
The journey